Hey, Becca's Booze, how's it going? I know it's been a while, but we're back at it, and we're going to the beach. Well, it's actually going to be like a little waterfall. We're going to take the kids, my brother and Shannon, we're going to all go, and it's going to be some fun.
Okay.
Oh, it's, the date is June 17th, 2020. No, I want to though. We're gonna upload this to YouTube. She does YouTube channel, so.
Yeah, but you do it with her.
I do it with her too, yeah. We do food challenges and stuff like that sometimes. Yeah. It's fun.
Heck yeah. My one buddy does that too.
Oh shit, I just tripped over a root. Gotta pick my feet up. Sweet. Hi.
Hi, Keegan. Keegan.